is better.
I suggested time.
That was useless as fuck, but what? Oh, never mind.
Then why did you vote it?
Because. Jesus.
That was my. I'm so sorry. I am really, really sorry. I will not do that again. Astro, I swear. Astro, I swear to God. We're out? No. You better.
What did you?
Bro.
Did Luna just take it?
You
She just wasted the box of chocolate.
I'm just. Okay, this is the first time I got it. I stole your candy. And I have no.
No one asked me why I take research capsules. It's not for the research, it's for the delicious money. I mean, oh my god, fucking PMO. She PMO right now.
I got them for the.
Wow.
Also, Luna, no, I'm not gonna heal you because you are way too useless for this.
Yeah, they haven't used their ability once.
They aren't even doing anything because they're on one heart. Are they really that big of a coward?
Wow.
I mean, look at this. Yo. Yummy, delicious, okay, now he's just keep, grinding. Now he keep grinding. No.
I said Luna PMO, we ain't gonna carry you.
That scared me for some reason. I want a I want to get 20 already. No, it's okay.
I love wasting shit. Razzle, dazzle, steal them tapes. I stole some tapes. I hope Sprout doesn't fucking shout at me. Luis, don't snitch on me. Don't snitch.
Well, I have 289 tapes, so I did.
Editing Lee here. For some reason, the audio, like me talking and the audio, came way before the actual moment. So don't ask. It sounds really weird, and it looks like I'm fucking lagging. So yeah, I don't mind that, please.
Hey, what's up? Oh no, we got you. So this is Russia. There are 3 machines next to each other, which is impressive. I want to do all three of them.
Luna said, bro, I'm doing, okay? And I just said, you don't understand, because that's not what I was talking about. I didn't say, oh, Luna isn't doing anything. She isn't doing it.
Why do you keep using your ability when we don't need it? You don't use it. I'm just gonna start Astro now. I'm gonna start
I already have.
so I want to start with you.
Huh? Why do you want to stop being with me?
No, I want to start with you. So with
Oh, yeah. I'm so dead. I mean, I'm so dumb.
no, you're not. No,
The
you're
fuck
not.
I mean dead.
I said